Are you tired of constantly bending over to feed your cat? The P.D.R cat feeder is for you. 4 simple machines, which is the lever, bang, the wedge, bang, and the pulley, bang, and the incline plane, bang, bang. 4 simple machines make up this beautiful complex machine called the P.D.R. And basically, if you're ever feeling lazy, like this lady here,
P.D.R cat feeder is for you.
Force that is added to the lever makes the wedge cut the string.
As the string is cut with the wedge, the string then lets go of the pulley, and the pulley makes the cup go down.
the incline plane helps the cup slide down and pour the food into the plate, which Kitty can come and eat whenever he would want to. So your cat can just feed himself. He can feed himself, and he can come up and just bang, and he feeds himself, and then he comes over to this side and he starts eating. You don't have to do anything. You can just stay in the living room watching your movie or whatever you're doing, and there's just one echo force of Kitty's head, and boom, you have food.